Homeowners, if you have a power meter that looks like this on your home, you could get paid to go solar at no cost to you. It costs nothing to get the solar panels installed. It's totally no money out of pocket to go solar. And the best part is when you have the solar panels on your roof, it'll actually make this meter run backwards, which will put a credit on your electric bill and save you money every single month, and you'll never have to make a utility bill payment again. And if you want to do some other upgrades, such as a pool pump or energy efficient windows, you can do that as well at no cost to you. Okay, so if you're looking to save $100, $200, or even $500 per month on your electric costs, click the link in this video to see if your home qualifies. You'll be able to still watch the video that you're here to watch. We'll just open it up in a separate window and we'll ask you a few quick questions just to make sure your home qualifies, because not every single home qualifies. And these subsidies that I'm talking about, they are being phased out as we speak. The federal government right now will literally pay you thousands of dollars back to switch to solar at no cost to you. So click the link in this video and let's see if your home qualifies. I'll talk to you soon.